Good afternoon, TikTok friends. It's me again, Jesper. I am using this platform para magbigay lang ng konting opinion and suggestion probably regarding doon sa incident na nangyari sa mga basketball players ng Ateneo who passed away due to drowning incident in Aurora. Kasi nakakapanghinayang that these young people, got into that situation na pwede naman sana talagang, na-prevent natin. Although, we cannot really question the truth na most probably it's God's will, no? But then again, as an event engagement officer, it is really our duty na magkaroon ng ocular inspection doon sa lugar kung saan gaganapin yung mga events and activities natin to really know and to foresee what are the things na po pwedeng mangyari in case na may mga ganitong klase ng insidente. It's really crucial and it's really our responsibility to be diligent enough to know and check kung safe ba yung lugar, kung anong mangyayari kapag ganito ang nangyaring sitwasyon, sino ang sasagip, meron bang naka-standby na tutulong na mga medical staff and whatnot, ambulance and whatnot. So for every event and activity, yan talaga yung unang kinoconsider namin. Yung safety ng mga empleyado namin and at the same time, yung oras, panahon na ginugugol namin ay pinofocus namin doon sa pagkakataon na mabigyan sila ng masaya, maayos at safe na experience. So, just a heads up for everyone, especially if you and your family, you are going to a place, bago kayo mag-enjoy, parents at yung mga nakakatanda, tingnan nyo muna yung mga vicinity. Alamin nyo yung mga lugar na posibleng magkaroon or mag-cause ng accident. Lalo na kung meron namang mga warning signs, maniwala po kayo dyan. Kaya nga yan may warning signs para hindi nyo nasubukan, hindi na kayo maging adventurous. Huwag nyo nang i-push. Kapag may warning signs, kapag may mga babala, huwag nyo nang i-push na subukan ang mga ganyang bagay kasi mapapahamak at mapapahamak talaga kayo. You'll never know. It's parang seduction yan na thrill, seduction of thrill na kapag ginawa nyo yan, feeling nyo pag nalampasan nyo, magaling kayo. Paano pag hindi? Diba? Ang hirap kasi kung sarili mo lang ang iniintindi nyo, paano naman yung mga taong nagmamahal sa inyo, diba? How would you feel kapag sila'y nasaktan? Kapag kayo napahamak, nasugatan, or mas masakit, namatay, di ba? So, let us all be mindful in every event and activity, whether it's company, whether it's about sports, whether it's about a certain activity from different entities, always consider the safety of those people joining. Even for a simple birthday party, gathering, alam mo, crucial talaga. Hindi naman sa pagiging praning yan It's about being conscious. Diba? Mas okay na yon kaysa naman nasa huli ang pagsisisi, nasa huli ang sasabihin natin, sana naisip natin yan, sana ginawa natin yan, or sana may nagawa tayong paraan bago tayo mapahamak. So yun lang. Just be more conscious about the environment and the places that you're going to so that you will always be safe. And of course, during travel, make sure na yung mga sasakyan na gagamitin nyo ay okay. Make sure na yung driver nyo ay nasa good mood at hindi makikipag-road rage. Make sure hindi puyat, hindi lasing, and whatnot. So, ilaging isipin yung safety kasi ang napakabilis ng buhay, alam mo yun. Yung ibang tao nagpupumilit mabuhay dahil meron silang mga sakit, alam mo yun, araw-araw dinadasal nila sa Diyos na sana habaan pa yung kanilang buhay. Samantalang yung mga ganitong tao na wala namang sakit, malalakas, bata, bigla na lang nawawala sa mga ganyang dahilan. Di po ba? Kung iisipin mo, bakit? Bakit ganon? I have nothing against the Ateneo kasi maka-Ateneo ako pagdating sa mga sports. Ateneo fan ako. It's just that probably nagkulang lang ng pagiging conscious sa kanilang mga activities. Siguro naging sila complacent, that they are all safe, that they are all okay, that they can push through with it and they can go through it without anything happening wrong. So, yun lang. And hopefully, tatatak to sa inyo. Iba pa rin ang maging mapagmatsyag. Iba pa rin ang maging conscious. Iba pa rin ang maging OC pagdating sa mga lugar na pagdadarausan nyo para maging masaya and fulfilling. Thank you and God bless you all.